boys and girls. I am so happy to see you again. It's Princess Paintbrush, and I am going to make sure that we're ready to go with our exciting project that we're going to do this week. And here we go. Oh, there you go. Boys and girls, I miss you so much, and I know that we're not going to be having school for a while, but I'm going to make sure you get your artwork back. Don't worry about that. Everything's going to be great there. And so I hope that you guys are enjoying your projects you're doing. I did notice that a lot of people did not take the poll that I had up on your art page last week. There was probably about 50% of each class that took it, if that. So if you did not take the poll, I need for you to go back and take that poll so I know who's doing their projects and who's not. The poll asks you which project you like the best so far. Our color wheel, when we drew a line and turned it into something, and then our ish drawing from last week. I thought that was really fun. That was my favorite. So I hope you've had a great time so far. The one thing I want to see you doing is I want to see you adding lots of detail and coloring. I mean the whole page, except maybe the white clouds and the whites in the eyes and teeth. Everything else should be colored in. You guys know how we roll in the art room with that. So today we are going to be doing a really fun lesson, and this is going to teach you to use your imagination. I want you to get as crazy as you can with this, but what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to read a poem to you, and it's called The Creature Poem. And you're going to really listen for the words. And you may even want to pause the video and then write down some of the words so you remember kind of what it is. You can go back and listen to this as many times as you want to. But I'm going to ask you to draw a creature that looks something like this in the poem. And then you are going to create a lot of detail on it. You may even want to add in the background where this creature hangs out. You're going to color it in. It's going to be so much fun. And you can use any materials you have at home to color it in and to draw it. Chalk and watercolor and paint and crayons, markers, whatever you want to use. Okay, so you ready? Let's go. Listen, my children, and you shall hear of a very strange creature, but have no fear. No one has seen it from its toe to its fin, but part of this fellow has been seen now and then. They say that its body is like a monstrous blob. Its head is like a box, and on top of his head is a knob. Big are the eyes, and much bigger the nose. The mouth is so scary it won't even close. If it did, you'd miss the teeth as they flash, and teeth like that would make a terrible crash. Does it move? Why, yes, it moves, but of course, ladies say like a butterfly and gents say like a horse. So it might have wings or legs, 1, 2, 3, and 4. There's also a rumor about tire tracks galore. No one has seen the tail, the ears, or the toes. So you must decide, if they're like a whale or a crow's. What color is it? Some say purple, black, green, and red. Others say striped, plaid, and checked like a quilt for a bed. Describing the parts has helped us to draw it. But no one we know has heard what you may call it. So, what you're going to do is you're going to go back and listen to that poem again. And then you are going to try to draw it. Now, I'm going to show you mine real quick because I don't want, hang on just a minute. Let me put this down here. I'm going to show you this. This is my monster that I did. And I'm going to have to slide it around. There's his head, and there's his body, and his legs. Yes, mine has 3 legs. So I was listening very carefully to the poem. I haven't finished drawing my details here for the little hair, and he has wings, and look at all the patterns that I chose. So boys and girls, I do not want you to copy me. I want you to do your own drawing. So you may think of something totally different than I did. So here's what I want you to do is you're going to go back to the beginning and you're going to listen to the poem as again, and you can stop it and draw as you're listening also. You could do that. That would be a probably easy way to do it. So listen to it, try to draw it, and then at the bottom, I'd love for you to name it. So it's got to have a name, our creature, and I want you to be so creative because I've seen what you can do in our art classroom, so I expect for you to do the same thing here. So boys and girls, you have 2 assignments this week. Go back and make sure you did the poll last week, and you're going to do this artwork. And again, you can draw it and color it however you want to. And I hope to see a lot of really cool, creative creatures. I hope you guys are all doing well. We're going to see each other again soon. I hope sooner than the 1st of next year, but hopefully we can all get together. Maybe they'll have some kind of summer thing. Who knows? So boys and girls, enjoy your project, and I will see you next week. Bye.